Okay, so welcome to the Blackboard tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the steps on what you need to do to use the Blackboard site and also to give you some information on how to get registered with Connect. So when you first log into Blackboard, initially I have the default setup as you're going to go to this home page right here. And again, in the home page, I've given you a brief introduction to the class and also an overview of the course description and also some other things like the netiquette policy. And also I already have the textbook information, which is going to be the Connect Access card for college accounting, which is right here. And again, the publisher is from McGraw-Hill, and there is the ISBN as well. And so go ahead and so when you get into Blackboard, you'll kind of read through these. And then the next thing I want to walk you through is the next step, if you notice to the left, is you have an announcement link. And right now there's no announcements, but this is what I tend to use weekly when I'll send out weekly announcements just to kind of give you a heads up of what you should be doing each week so that you don't get behind. So there's the announcement link. The next one you'll see is you've got the My Instructor link. And right away, there's a little bit of background information about myself. There's a picture. And again, here's very important is my phone and email and my office location in case you ever need to come to the campus to meet with me. I'm in room F324 on the Forest Park campus. And again, there's, when you do email me, there's some things you should remember is always state your name, the course and section number, and the reason for the email. And I do this because I do teach several online courses. So by telling me which course and section number you're in, it does help me get back to your needs as soon as possible. All right, so then once you've gone through that, the next thing is very important, it's the Connect registration. And what you'll do is you simply click on the registration instructions. It walks you through what you need to do. And just for your convenience, if you click this, I'm going to do it right now. If you click this where it says Connect registration, you'll notice it'll take you right to the website. You should see my picture. It says ACC100474 Summer 2019. And notice it'll say enter your email to join the class. This is where you'll first register. And then once you've done that, you can also then just use this same link to get back into the Connect website as well. So again, very important is again, get registered on or before June 10th because that's when the class does officially begin. So again, you've got this Connect registration instructions right here. This is what you need to do to get to the textbook. All right, next thing you've got is the syllabus and schedule. And so I'll go ahead and read through these. I'm going to open it up in a minute. And again, just to show you, then there is, again, the textbook information. Very important. You do need this to get you through the course. Now, so if you open up the syllabus, which I've already done, so notice it's got, again, my name. Again, there's my office location and phone and email. It's got the basic prereqs. It's got the textbook information again. Again, this is an online class, so there are no on-campus meetings. Here is the course objectives. I'm going to go page down through the class procedures. Typically, this whole class is going to be done online through either Blackboard and Connect. Blackboard is where you're going to find all my learning modules to help you get through the course. Connect is where you'll go to submit the homework and the quiz assignments and the exam. So I've got all that in this class procedure, so I'll go ahead and read through that. And then I'm going to page down again to the very important part, which is the evaluation procedures. You'll note that there are 3 exams. There are going to be 10 quizzes, 10 homework assignments, and a project. Total points, 500. Notice, again, everything here is submitted online. The first 3, the exams, the quizzes, and the homework, are submitted through Connect. The project will be submitted directly through Blackboard. And again, I'll give you all the heads-up information once we get there. But notice the breakdown. The exams are 60% of your grade, 20% of your grade is quizzes, 10% is the homeworks, and then 10% is the project. Now, regarding the exams, again, 3 of them, 3 exams, they're all given through Connect, and they'll be listed in the class schedule. So if you're wondering when the exams will be, just go to the class schedule, and that'll give you a heads up on that. Now, on the quizzes, very important, you'll take the quizzes through Connect. There's going to be 10 of them, and on each quiz, you get 2 chances, 2 opportunities. And I count your best attempt. So again, they're 10 points each. So if you take a quiz for the first time and you get like an 8 out of 10, by all means, take it again and try to get it up to 10 out of 10. But I give you 2 chances. I take your best chance, your best attempt. Same on the homeworks. There's 10 homework assignments. The difference on the homework and the quizzes is the homeworks, you have unlimited attempts. Just do it. Just you have to make sure you get it in by the due date, but you get unlimited attempts to get those 5 points, and do that as many times as possible because you definitely want to max out on the homework assignments in terms of your point potential. So again, you got quizzes, homeworks, and then of course the project. The project will be a 50-point project. The project will be available after Chapter 6 and after the first exam, so you don't have to worry about that just yet. All right, now regarding makeups, the only thing you can really make up if you miss the due date is an exam. The quiz and the homeworks are final, the due dates are final, and there are no makeup policies on those. So again, the exams, if you happen to have a problem, email me, I'll work it out with you. Okay, so go ahead and read through the rest of it, but very important, just kind of take a note in terms of how you're going to be evaluated. Close that out. Now, next thing I want to show you real briefly is the class schedule. I tried to list on here the pace of the course. You'll notice that, again, the class does begin June 10th. First week, you'll have chapters 1 and 2. Notice the due dates. The next week is 3 and 4. Notice the due dates, June 23rd. Notice once you get down here, the first exam is the week of July 1st through the 7th. It's an online exam, and it's going to be due on Sunday, July 7th. And then if I keep paging down just to show you, that's when the project will be available, which is on July 8th. Notice the due date, July 28th. And then notice after that, you got chapter 7 and 8, 12 and 13. And then exam 2, which is July 22nd through the 28th. And then the final exam, which will be the 29th through August 2nd. Please note that officially, even though the course officially ends on August 4th, your exam 3 is due on the Friday, which is August 2nd. So please make a note of that. Okay, a couple more things. So once you've done this, you go to the course readiness agreement. If you're interested in getting 5 bonus points, click this. Read that you've acquired all the material, that you're going to follow the instructions. And by doing this, you're telling me you've read the syllabus. And just by doing the course readiness agreement, you're going to get 5 bonus points. So everybody, please do that. All right, a couple more things. Connect website. Again, I just have another link on here in case you want to get to the Connect website quickly. Again, what you do is you just click on this Connect account. It'll take you right back to the McGraw-Hill website just for your convenience. So you can access that through Blackboard. Now, very important, learning modules. Guys, so let me get the edit mode off. What you do on this one is I have every chapter listed. And what you'll do is you open up a chapter module. If I open up chapter 2, just for example, you'll notice I have an overview of what is in each chapter, what you should do for each chapter. I got the learning objectives, PowerPoints, lecture notes, textbook illustrations, homework illustrations, everything on here to help you complete the course. You can learn through these learning modules. These are all my recordings and illustrations. You'll notice that I also have the textbook solutions listed in each module. So go to these learning modules. Again, it's under learning modules. I'll go back to it. You'll note that I have one for every single chapter that we're going to cover. Now, you'll notice that not only you have this, but when you do go into Connect, you'll note that Connect also has similar stuff on how to learn the course material. But I think you'll probably find this a little bit more helpful because it is my recordings, it's my teachings, not some robot teaching you. So again, learning modules is what you'll do to use Blackboard to learn all the materials. Everything else, the lecture notes, I'll click that. All these are rerouted back to the learning modules, but you can also go here directly if you want to get these. The same thing with the PowerPoints. These are my recordings. These are also linked to learning modules, as well are the ebook solutions. I also have a link for the submit project. Notice there's nothing there yet. That'll be available when I put the project out there. And then, of course, you can always check your grades. So again, I hope this is helpful. But again, once you do log into Blackboard, again, you'll get an announcement soon on this. All your links are to the left. You'll want to go through all these. You'll definitely want to go to the Connect registration link. Make sure you get registered with Connect. There is a 14-day free trial period, so just in case you can't pay for the access code just yet, you can register now, and then in 14 days you have to pay for the code to get into the site. And again, if you do have any questions, I'll go back to my instructor. If you do have any questions, anything about the course, and I do check my emails regularly, like daily, go to my email. There it is, djariga@stlcc.edu, and then please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. All right, again, welcome to the course.